A beast unleashed. The Tesla Model Y performance on the road. The asphalt shimmers under the California sun. A sleek, panther-like shape emerges in the distance. It's a Tesla Model Y performance, a silent predator ready to pounce. With a whisper-quiet hum, it accelerates, pinning you back in your seat. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. The future of driving is here, and it's electric. The Model Y performance carves through corners with precision and grace. Its low center of gravity and advanced suspension system provide unparalleled handling. This SUV defies expectations. It moves with the agility of a sports car. The roar of an engine is absent, replaced by the satisfying whir of electric motors. The scenery blurs as you unleash the full potential of the electric powertrain. Instant torque throws you forward with exhilarating force. This is what driving excitement is all about. The Tesla Model Y performance isn't just about speed, it's about the thrill of the ride. Sculpted by the Wind Design and Aerodynamics, the Tesla Model Y performance is a masterpiece of modern automotive design. Its sleek, aerodynamic profile cuts through the air with minimal resistance. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about efficiency. Every curve, every line serves a purpose. The Model Y performance boasts a drag coefficient of just 0.23, making it one of the most aerodynamic SUVs on the market. This slippery design contributes to its impressive range and performance. The car's panoramic glass roof adds to the feeling of spaciousness while seamlessly integrating with the sleek roofline. Flush door handles sit seamlessly against the bodywork, popping out with a touch for entry. The minimalist design philosophy extends to every detail. The Tesla Model Y performance is a testament to the power of form following function. A sanctuary of technology. Inside the Model Y performance. Step inside the Tesla Model Y performance and you're greeted by a minimalist cabin that exudes sophistication. The centerpiece is the expansive 15-inch touchscreen display. It controls everything from climate control to navigation and entertainment. This is your command center. The spacious interior comfortably seats 5 adults with ample legroom and headroom. Premium materials and meticulous craftsmanship create an atmosphere of refined luxury. The absence of a traditional instrument cluster enhances the feeling of openness. The expansive glass roof floods the cabin with natural light, creating an airy and inviting ambiance. Heated seats, both front and rear, provide optimal comfort during colder months. The Tesla Model Y performance is more than just a car, it's a sanctuary from the outside world. Power redefined, performance and handling. The Tesla Model Y performance is a testament to the raw power of electric propulsion. Dual electric motors, one on each axle, deliver lightning-fast acceleration and exhilarating performance. This SUV means business. 0 to 60 miles per hour arrives in a breathtaking 3.5 seconds, leaving most sports cars in the dust. The instant torque delivery provides a thrilling surge of power that's unlike anything you've experienced in a gasoline-powered vehicle. This is electric performance at its finest. With a top speed of 155 miles per hour, the Model Y performance is no slouch on the open road. But this SUV is more than just straight-line speed. It handles corners with remarkable agility and precision. The advanced suspension system keeps the car planted, inspiring confidence in even the most demanding driving situations.
Section 5, Engineering Marvel, a look under the hood. The true magic of the Tesla Model Y performance lies beneath its sleek exterior. At the heart of this technological marvel is a state-of-the-art battery pack and a pair of highly efficient electric motors. This is where innovation meets performance. Our engineers have worked tirelessly to develop a battery pack that delivers both impressive range and power. The Model Y's battery pack is not only incredibly energy-dense, but also engineered for long-term durability. The dual electric motors, one on each axle, provide instant torque and precise power delivery. These motors are incredibly efficient and virtually maintenance-free. They represent the future of automotive propulsion.
Section 6. Conquering any terrain versatility of the Model Y performance. Don't let the sleek design fool you. The Tesla Model Y performance is more than just a city slicker. Its all-wheel drive system, combined with its impressive ground clearance, makes it surprisingly capable when the pavement ends. Whether you're navigating snowy roads or tackling a dirt trail, the Model Y performance takes it all in stride. The instant torque delivery of the electric motors provides excellent traction on slippery surfaces. This SUV is ready for adventure. The Model Y Performance's spacious interior and ample cargo space make it the perfect companion for weekend getaways. Fold down the rear seats and you have a cavernous cargo hold that can accommodate all your gear. This is one versatile electric SUV.
Section 7. The future of driving. Autopilot and full self-driving. The Tesla Model Y Performance isn't just about electric power, it's also at the forefront of autonomous driving technology. Autopilot, Tesla's advanced driver assistance system, comes standard, offering features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, and automatic lane changes. Autopilot is designed to assist drivers and make driving safer and more convenient. It's important to note that Autopilot is not a fully autonomous system, and drivers must remain attentive and ready to take control at all times. For those seeking even more autonomous capabilities, Tesla offers the full self-driving capability package. This optional package includes features like Navigate on Autopilot, Autopark, and Summit. While not yet fully autonomous, these features represent a significant step towards a future where cars can drive themselves.
Switching to a Tesla Model Y Performance was one of the best decisions I've ever made. Not only is it an incredibly fun and stylish car to drive, but it's also incredibly convenient and environmentally friendly. Sarah, I just plug it in at home overnight and it's ready to go in the morning, and the performance is simply amazing. It's so quick and responsive. Sarah, knowing that I'm driving a car that produces zero emissions is incredibly important to me. It's about doing my part to create a more sustainable future.
One of the biggest concerns people have about electric vehicles is range anxiety, the fear of running out of charge. Tesla addresses this concern with its extensive supercharger network, strategically located along major highways and in urban areas. Our superchargers are designed to get you back on the road quickly. With just a short stop, you can add hundreds of miles of range to your Model Y. The supercharger network is a game changer for EV adoption. Tesla continues to expand its supercharger network, making long-distance electric travel more convenient than ever. With thousands of superchargers worldwide, Tesla owners can enjoy the freedom of the open road without range anxiety.
The Tesla Model Y Performance isn't just a car, it's a statement about sustainability. By choosing an electric vehicle, you're making a conscious decision to reduce your carbon footprint and contribute to a cleaner environment. This is the future of mobility. Environmental advocate. With zero tailpipe emissions, the Model Y Performance helps reduce harmful greenhouse gases that contribute to climate change. Electric vehicles are not just about personal transportation, they're about creating a healthier planet for future generations. Environmental advocate. The Model Y Performance's sustainable credentials extend beyond its electric powertrain. Tesla is committed to using sustainable materials and manufacturing processes throughout its supply chain. This holistic approach to sustainability sets Tesla apart.
The Tesla Model Y Performance is more than just a car. It's a glimpse into the future of automotive excellence. With its sleek design, blistering performance, advanced technology, and unwavering commitment to sustainability, the Model Y Performance redefines what an SUV can be. This is a vehicle that seamlessly blends performance and practicality, luxury and sustainability. It's a car that excites the senses while appealing to your sense of responsibility. The future of driving is electric, and the Tesla Model Y Performance is leading the charge.